Hello, today I will show you how you can show recent searches on top. I am going to create a simple search input field. Whenever user searches, I will append it in a list. And if user does the same search again, I will move it up one step. So let's say I search for Java again. It is at position 3, but after my search, it will move to position 2. And if I search again, it will move to top. So if I search for Python, every time I search, it will move one step up. So your recent searches will be displayed on top. So I already have an empty React app. First, I'm going to create two state variables. One will be an array that will store all the search history, and second will be the value of search input field. Then I'm going to create that input field. And a button which when clicked will save the search. Now I need to create these two functions. This function will be called when user types in search field. Here we are simply setting the state variable to input field value, and a function that will be called when the search button is pressed. Here, first I will check if the search value already exists in search history. I will create a shallow copy of state array so I can update its content. If the value is not already searched, then I am going to push it in shallow copy of state variable, and then I will update the state variable. After that, I am going to show all the search history. So now I can search my search history. But if I search an already searched item, then it is still at current place. So if the search term is found in search history, then I am going to loop through all the history. Find the index where keyword is found. I will show you how you can optimize it later. And you need to replace the current search with the previous search. So we will swap the current item with item at previous index. Create a temporary object of current item. Replace current item with previous item, and replace previous item with current item. And you need to make sure that once an item reaches the top, it should not be removed from the list. So you can add a condition that checks for 0 index. Now in order to optimize it, we are already running a loop on history array, so we do not need to do that again. We can save the index of the item where it is found. So create an index variable, and where the search is found, save its index, and replace the A with this index. Now you can use the 0 index condition here. So it will add a search in history if it is not found. If it is found, then it will move it closer to the top by one step.